In this video, I will tell you that how to add in-app sharing system in your game. You have to search for share for iOS and Android. Then this is the asset you have to import into your Unity. Share for iOS and Android. Share for iOS and Android. Simply import this. So I have already imported this package. So I will start it. After importing, you have to create a script. Share manager. uh, I already added this script into my project. You have to simply take a button and the string message and change this message according to your game. Rewrite this message according to my game, as ChatGPT have all the data according to my game, so it automatically rewrite it. So I will just copy this message and paste it over here, and also I have to rewrite this game link. So currently my game is not published on the Play Store, so I will simply copy this. Go to project setting, simply copy your this. First I will access root. We have to write this with small letters. Access root h. Simply copy this and go to your script, paste this, because when you publish your game, this is the ID on your link at the end of it. So save your script. Now you have to call this method share game. So share manager dot instance. So first of all, I will make my script singleton. I will share this singleton script with on YouTube. So I will call it share manager dot instance. It automatically create the class instance dot share message. What is the method name? Share game. So it must be public. So you have to call this method, and now your script is okay. On Android, when you click on this share button, it will automatically pop up your in-app sharing apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Messenger. Okay, thank you for watching this. In next video, we will study about in-app review system.